From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring floors? Well, I've got the solution for you, the black-white Hexagons round rug 7-foot machine. Yes, you heard that right, a machine-made rug that's a total game changer. This top-rated bestseller is a highly rated area rug that's taking the world by storm, and for good reason. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and the consensus is clear, it's a must-have for any home. When you walk on this rug, you'll notice the soft, plush texture beneath your feet. It's like walking on a cloud, and the sound of your footsteps is muffled, creating a sense of serenity in your home. The unique hexagon pattern is not only visually striking, but it also adds a layer of depth and warmth to any room. The black and white colors are classic and timeless, and will complement any decor, from modern to traditional. In real life, this rug is a total winner. Imagine having a cozy movie night, with this rug as the centerpiece. It's the perfect spot to snuggle up with a good book, or have a fun game night with friends and family. The machine-made construction ensures that it's durable and long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart after a few months. What sets this rug apart from others is its versatility. It can be used in a living room, bedroom, or even a home office, and it's sure to be a conversation starter. The feel of the rug under your feet is incredible. It's like a warm hug for your toes. The result is a room that feels cozy, inviting, and relaxing, and that's what makes this rug truly special. In conclusion, if you're looking for a rug that's both stylish and functional, look no further than the black-white Hexagons round rug 7-foot machine. It's a total winner, and I highly as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.